master. So guys, we are doing one more beautiful services, one that is 1 month internships, 1 month internship services. Okay. So I will tell you what is the advantage if you take the 1 month internship program. Okay. So guys, in this 1 month internship program, first, we are going to be, trained what exactly needed for the skills, what exactly needed for the to complete the project end to end. Okay. So let's suppose we are going to be providing you the internship services on the different skills. I will tell you what are the skills. Okay. The most important is skills like C sharp, okay, ADO.NET and SQL Server and WinForm. Okay. So using these skills, you can develop the end-to-end project, any tools, okay, in .NET. Okay. So we explain you completely, trained you, major skills in the what exactly the skills needed to be developed the end-to-end project. Okay. So C sharp, using C sharp, ADO.NET, SQL Server, WinForm, these skills you can develop the any desktop applications. Okay, so many tools. So this software, this skills is going to be useful when you go to the actual companies. Okay, all the good MNCs, every company, they are going to be develop the desktop applications. Okay. So I will tell you what is the advantages if you take this kind of internship program. If you take this 1 month internship program, the first beauty about this 1 month internship program is, you are going to be learn lot of knowledge end to end how the real time the companies will do in if you do the internship within 1 month. Okay. And the second, practically we teach you the real time based how from the scratch, like from the gathering the requirement, understanding the requirement, how to create the SCS, software specifications document, that document, based on that how to develop the high level design, low level design, then you go to the actual the project documents, and then you have actual implementation. Apart from this, you are going to be parallelly learning the C sharp, ADO.NET, SQL Server, WinForm. Okay. So guys, this is a virtual internship program, and you are going to be connected with me, 8 to 10 hours daily basis. We work on the project. Okay. And beauty about this, you are going to be learn a lot of skills within 1 month. And apart from the skills, also I'm going to be provide you, a guidance, so how the other skills and all. Okay. And bonus, apart from this internship program, I'm going to be provide you, if any student interested to take this internship program, I'm going to be providing you some bonus to you. What are the bonuses I'm going to be provide you with, if you take this internship program? The first is resume building. This is absolutely free, guys. Resume building, I'm help you out, in the resume, your resume building, one-to-one resume building. Okay. And next thing is, I help you out, I'm going to be provide the certificate for a 1 month program, right? For internship program, I will provide you the certificate and project complete certificate. Project complete certificate also I'm providing you. And LinkedIn account, I'm going to be uh, post about your profile, so that and I'm going to be mentioned you specially, this student completed internship program with .NET Master. I'm going to be tag you in LinkedIn. Okay. So guys, this is a very beautiful opportunity, just only 1 month. And there is a lots of chances for the placements. That is the beauty. If you are a third year student, final year student, and completed, and also you have completed your, degree, any degree, you're from the BSc background, you're from the, BTech background, degree background, any kind of, they can directly join this. Lots of learning, guys. Okay. So this is a real time based training, guys. And the beauty about, you don't need to be travel anywhere. Remotely we are going to be directly communicate with you. Daily you have a classes. I'm teaching you the basic skills. After that we start work on the project. I'm going to be give you what is the project you're going to be develop. I'm going to be monitor you, the project and all. Okay. Guys, this is a beautiful chance for, third year, final year student. They can put all this, your internship program in your resume. And, this is, beauty about is there is a lots of, even in the placements, you can direct, you can, after completing this 1 month internship program, you are no more fresher, guys. Okay. So guys, see here, if you put your resume plain academic student, and if you put 1 month internship program in your resume, there is a lot of difference, guys. Okay. And also you can, once you completed this internship program, you can demand good salary, good package to the, when you go to the actual companies. Okay. So guys, lots of advantages there. Also, I'm going to be help you out, like resume building, and project completion certificate I will provide you. Okay. And also I will give you one more bonus to you, that is mock interview. One, I'm going to be take your mock interview session, and I'm going to be, show you where you are, mock interview session. One session, okay, only one session. I'm going to be provide you the feedback where you are there, what are, and I'm going to be help you out to you, what are the mistakes you are doing, in interview. For one mock interview, only one mock interview session I'm going to be provide for you. Okay. The first is resume building. Also, I'm providing the certificate for, this 1 month internship program, and tag you in your LinkedIn. And project completion certificate I will provide you. Mock interview sessions also I will provide you for one mock interview sessions. Okay. So guys, also the skills like, we are teaching you skills like C Sharp, ADO.NET, SQL Server, WinForm, and one more skill in web app. This is the desktop kind of a project. And we are also planning for, we are also giving the, internship program and the web applications like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and chatbot, and ASP.NET web form. Okay. So this is the beauty, guys. I'm telling you, this is, only 1 month, lots of knowledge, beautiful, this internship program. I wish, any college, any students is there, don't miss this 1 month internship program. I'm telling you, it's very, 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 boost to your career. We placed so many students, guys, 60 plus students in top MNCs. This is, I'm telling you, only 1 month internship program. You can see the lots of difference in your placements. Okay. And also this internship program 100% add value to your, resumes and your career. Drastic change, guys. Okay. So don't miss this kind of opportunity. We are providing you the 1 month internship program. If anybody, student or college, any college, they want to be joined as a group wise, please welcome, please join with us. Okay. So if anybody has any queries about this 1 month internship program, feel free message me in Instagram. Okay. I'm going to be happy to help you out, guys. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.